In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a PowerPoint slide presentation into an animated GIF file. It's very easy to do. All you do is go up to the File tab off to the far top left, click on it, go down to where it says Export, click on it, go over to where it says Create Animated GIF and click on that. Off to the right here, it asks you, the first thing it asks you is what resolution you want. It has a drop down box. Do you want medium resolution? That's pretty low quality resolution, 480p. Do you want a larger file size at 720p? Or do you want an extra large size at 1080p? I'm going to choose, just for this video, 720p. It asks you how many seconds you want it to spend on each slide. The default is 1 second. That means it's going to move through your slides pretty fast. It'll take 1 second before it goes on to the next slide, but you could, with the drop down arrows, you could increase it or decrease it. You could also double click on your time to increase or decrease it. I'm going to leave it for this video. I'm just going to leave it at 1 second. Then it asks you the order of the order that you want it to go through. Default is it starts on the first and ends on the last. I have a total of 3 slides. It'll start on the first and end on the last, but you could change that with the arrows. And then you just click on Create GIF. It'll take it a second. It'll ask you where you want to store it. And then that's it. Let me open up the file here. I'll double click on my GIF, and there we have it. Like I said, I have it set to go 1 second per slide. It'll just keep scanning through it, but you can change the time, how fast or how slow it goes. You can change that. But that's it. Thanks for watching.